Hello everybody, you are watching Motoreplika YouTube channel and this is our second English language video. Remember that Motoreplika is official name of our Instagram, Facebook and internet site. All rights reserved by the patent. Also we have one telephone number with all messengers on it, such as WhatsApp, Viber and Telegram. All links will be under this video. As I promised, our second video will be about military bike and military sidecar. We will speak about sidecar body kit. I think that it's necessary to divide this video into 3 chapters. First chapter will be about military bike that you can see. It's a military bike MW-650M modernized. It's 1986. It's the last one that was made on Kiev factory. Second bike that we have, it's military bike MW-750M modernized. It's in the process of restoration and we will speak and see the difference of body kit this sidecar, this military bike. To have more lights and to see this sidecar better, we will take it to our workplace where we have good light and where we can turn it around and see all the vehicles that are used on this sidecar. So it happened so that we made restoration of military bike. Kiev Motor Factory MV military bike 650M modernized. It's 1986 years of made. It is the last bike of military series of this factory. It has 2-wheel drive. Here it is, here you can see. It has 2-wheel drive and a special electric equipment. I think that we will turn off the light and we will see how this electric on the bike works. Stay with us, in a few minutes I will show you. And also it have special body kit on the sidecar. In all other details it's very similar to the serial bikes Dnepr 10 and Dnepr 11. But I have some differences and I will show you these differences on the bike during this video. So let's see how the electricity works. Here are the lights and backlight. Turns and turns on the sidecar. Stop lights on the bike and on the sidecar, and front light far. You can even make like this. On the left back of the sidecar we can see 10-liter fuel canister. This canister installed on this bike from 1969 and on some civil bikes like Dnepr 12 and Dnepr 16. You can see these fuel cans. In the left middle you can see large mining shovel. It installed from 1941 till the end of the made these bikes. In the right, on the front left, let's turn it around. On the front left side you can see metal toolbox. Here it is. Don't confuse it with ammo box. It's installed from 1941, but first was rack or canvas bag with leather. We made these bags and we made rack canvas bags with leather. You can see it on our site. So let's go on. In the left middle you can see, here it is. In the left middle you can see large, you can see X. It installed from 1941 till the end of making these bikes. Also in front of the sidecar you can see machine gun turret, and it is, and inside sidecar it's machine gun holder. Let's see. Inside the sidecar number 1 and number 2 you can see Kalashnikov assault rifle. And in the back of the sidecar you can see machine gun turret for anti-aircraft shooting. Now we will take off the seat and see what we have inside the sidecar. Everything works perfect. All was after full restoration, so we can see what is inside of the sidecar. You see the color, it's original paint. Inside the sidecar we have fastening for 3 boxes for cartridges. That's all. So now we show you the main difference of military sidecar and the civilian sidecar of these bikes. In next video, in chapter number 2, we will speak about sidecar of MW-650M, and we will see all special tools that are in the sidecar.
саме. Я тут тебе поставлю, а ти знімеш, як я їду, і так, біля тебе і туди поїду. Там розвернуся і тебе заберу, давай? Ні. Я ж на камеру сказав.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, put like, and great thank you for all countries that support Ukraine against Russian invasion.